mangiyo check lapha ngiyo consult basho ukuthi wena bafuna ukukuthebula ne but amadlozi wakho bakushaya isichitho at the same time because of awubanaki which ngihlezi ngithuke mangizwe sound like ngiyajumpa yabo cause ish bengisekho right but I never thought ukuthi ngizoba right ngisho ukuthi nasekhaya basavwa yimi the way ngiyiprayer ngakhona 1000 uthatha 300 ngithatha 700 but that day he took imali eningi kudlule yami
in mom confounder
he was like uyahlanya wena ngiyagibelisa waka in yabo yeah but otherwise he passed yeah cause into engayisho ene beka manager umunye umjida bathi uMakandoyi
okay
yamazi uMakandoyi lo mfana omncane ukhuluma kakhulu
Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm not alone. I'm joined by Snow White. Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Yo, ngaze ngajabula ukuba nawe namhlanje.
Nami ngiyajabula ukuba la.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, and by the way, sinosihle lapha ku backstage ne, so ungamangali nje mayibuza ama question like from time to time. I just want to know, legama leli Snow White, how did you get that name? Let's first start there. Kahle kahle uthole kanjani? Why bakubiza Snow White?
Honestly, ekhaya bebahlezi bangibiza ngoSnow, yabo.
Okay.
Because iSnow simhlophe which is nami ngimhlophe. Then mina nga Edo White ke.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how lelo gama lifikile. Yeah.
Ubani ekhaya bekubiza ngoSnow? Like bonke or was it like a
Qala ngomalumam vele because malumam waqala wathi mayonnaise.
Okay.
Athi mayonnaise ngathi hayi mana ngilithanda la ka mayonnaise yabo.
Yeah.
Then ke bathi okay since ungathandi uSnow nalela ka Snow ngalifuni because ngimani ngimbuza kanti wena wawumani unginika amagama yabo.
Out of nowhere.
But ngicine ngil accept ke yabo. Because nasekhaya bese bathi Snow. Yeah.
Okay, and then what is your real name?
Kilebogile.
Kilebogile.
Yeah.
Isibongo.
Open
us disclose.
Okay, Mukwena.
Are you a Sotho? Oh. Okay,
Yeah.
ukhulele kuphi?
Ngikhulele eSlovo ngaseLifereng. Yeah. Khulele khona. Then after isikhathi ngahlala eNaledi. Then manje sengihlala eWestern area. Yeah.
Okay, ukhula nabani? Like ukhulisa ubani?
Ukhulisa umamncane wami kakhulu. Mamncane wami nomamami. Yeah.
Okay, and then your father yena?
Sometimes. Yeah.
Uyamazi?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, ngiyamazi yena.
Okay. Into engifuna ukuyazi, I think like I don't know like in your upbringing ukuthi how was it like growing up, yabo?
Yeah.
But I want you to take me through your journey like as much as we albinism, I think there are a lot of things that you've encountered, like maybe people saying bad names,
Yeah.
even at school. Like I want you like to take me back then. Noguthi, how was it like growing up? Did you felt like you were different like from other kids, or like maybe now obohlala kuyo like maybe accept everything was just good, there was no judgment, everything was just okay? Because also you mentioned that you've been moving like from places to places. Yabo. I want you to take me through that journey nje, yabo. Yeah.
Honestly mina azange vele ngizidoubt from vele because ngathi vele mina ngikhule ngomuntu one confidence vele, yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, but benginokuthola vele ama negative comments, but mina bengingasi umuntu ozinaka into ezinjalo because from endlini bebangitshela ukuthi sikuthande ukanje. Abo bebanokungixoxela vele ukuthi from ngisafika nabo like they were surprised, but into engingayisho ne once waqala wathanda umamakho then nabanye abantu bazokuthanda cause umzali wakho wakunyanya as umntanakhe like let's say azidoubt ngawe. So how do we expect ukuthi abanye abantu bamthande, because you have to show people ukuthi yeah, I love my daughter ngakhona. Yeah, so into engayisho, but yeah, ama negative comments bewakhona nabantu ababully. Yeah, but mina angisumuntu okhechayo guys. Angazi kwenzakalana, angazi umuntu ozothi uyafika ngigudla, angazi uzothi ungigudla ngani this time, because ngigudlwe country yonke mina and I'm still breathing. Yeah.
And it didn't break you, that thing?
Hayi angeke ngiqamamanga guys, kube khona leya nto kancane, but at the same time ngasho ukuthi I've been wanting fame, yabo. So i-chance yami leyo ukuthi ngikhona ukwaziwa, which is vele ngitrende ngento engayifuni, but sometimes uyakhona ukutrenda ne ngento ongayifuni so that uzothola amehlo and then wenza into oyifunayo. Yeah.
Do you feel like that's how it happened, like with you, ukuthi uwatholile la mehlo bowadinga and wayisebenzisa ngendlela obufisa ukuyisebenzisa ngayo ifake?
Yeah, ngatholile amehlo bengiwadinga, and right now ngibusy ngo-music, which is mawuzothi wenza music ngeke utrende easy, because music industry like kurere ukuthi utrend, but once you trend with like inento ebhedayo bazokunotice ukuthi ulo bekayenza kanje, yabo. Then you start doing italent lakho lelo lifuna ukuliyenza ke. Yeah.
Do you feel like kunama gatekeepers like music, as much as usho ukuthi it's hard to trend and stuff, do you feel like there are people who are gatekeeping the game?
Abayenzani?
Like aba gatekeeper igame ukuthi mhlambe like ama new upcoming artists angangeni because of bona they are there, like abantu aba actor as ama barrier, yabo. If someone uya block ukuthi like abantu aba gatekeeper nje industry, the music industry as a whole.
Honestly mina angeke ngithi bakhona or abekho, cause nama ngafiki kulo level ukuthi ngibhiki ngalondlela, yabo, or ngazi kakhulu ngeindustry. So angeke ngisho ukuthi bakhona or abekho.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, then take me back to school. How was it like schooling?
School was fine. School was fine a lot, because a primary, I think grade 3 I used to have lento ukuthi ngizidawuthe kancane. So mina ngumuntu okhula ne-social worker, yabo. So everything beyenzeka empilweni yami bengitshela yena. So athatha i-chance ukuthi azi esikoleni sami azobafundisa about albinism. I think after vele bazile sigela, then bonke umuntu waqala wa-understand ukuthi yini albinism, yabo. Because albinism ngayithola nakuma animal, ngisho nomlungu uyaba ne-albinism, yabo. Yeah.
Okay. To umuntu mhlawumbe ongathi I'm educated today, as much as now you were educated about the albinism, ungathi yini?
Ngathi yini angazi yo, but ngasho ukuthi into enhle nje ehlukile, inkingi iyafana nawe. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boseza nayo, so a primary, then moving to ama higher grades, like what was going on there?
Okay, shabang fike high school vele khona banga understandi. Babuza, but mina vele ngumuntu ongenandaba, yabo. Yeah, izinto like mina ngumuntu ongenandaba ukuthi wena uthini, then ngiyakubheka ngiphuma kuwe ngiqhubeka ngempilo yami. So since vele ngumuntu o-talkative, othanda ukwenza into ezihlanyayo, so baqala ukungithanda lapha abantu ukuthi ukilo lo wenza so, bese bangangidescribe ngokuthi ukilo lo mhlophe, ukilo lo hlanyayo, yabo. Yeah. So otherwise mina vele I think kuze understand, uzonga-understand ngokuthi ngiyahlanya, then uzonga-understand ukuthi lo muntu akusumuntu omubi. Then mafuna ukubuza about more about albinism, mhlawumbe uzothola i-chance la sohle nami khona, because angithi mawuqala vele uzosaba ukuthi hayi ngiyasaba ukumconfront, angimazi. But once you see personality yami uzobona ukuthi yeah usharp musi. Yeah, and then mhlawumbe ungaqala lapho ubuza more about mina. Yeah.
And how did you deal about the bullying, like at school? udila kanjani ngayo like people because mhlambe bakhona abanye uzothola ukuthi they go beyond ubona ukuthi hey lona like uzama ukuprovoke khona umuntu oba like lo kahle kahle ufuna umoya wami yabo
Yeah, angimnaki but eceleni ngiyakhala but ebusweni bakhe ngireact as if uthini manje. Yeah. Then I do the same thing ayenzayo mhlambe if mvele uzongidescribe ngalendlela leyo and then whatever I see on her or him I do the same yabo. So show ukuthi angikusabi and ngiyazithanda. Yeah. But eceleni vele nokuthi maybe ngikhulume noma mncane wami ukuthi yazi ngihlangane nento kanje nakanje nakanje but vele angimbonisanga vele ukuthi kukanje. Yeah.
Okay. And you mentioned ukuthi you've always wanted a fame. So into engifuna ukuyazi like why? What was the reason like ukugijimisa fame kangaka?
The reason ukuthi ngintswempu yabo. And angifuni ubuntswempu bami buphelele inside. Ngifuna wonke umuntu abone ukuthi ngintswempu. Yeah.
Ntswempu like in what way? Omunye ngeke understand ukuthi ntswempu ngani.
I'm good at singing. You're good go MC, even acting.
Okay.
Yeah. So angifuni manu lento banginike yona mani iphelele kimi. Ngifuna wonke umuntu ayibone. That's why bengijimisa fame. Yeah.
Okay. Then mawukhula like bowufuna ukuba yini and what did you do nje after high school?
Honestly, I thought ngizoba social worker.
Okay.
But isikolo.
Isikolo senzeni?
Ayi. So vele mina vele ngikhule ngizitshela ukuthi ngizocula. Yabo? At the same time I thought music awunamali. Yabo? But bengitsho ukuthi ngizoba social worker while doing music. Yabo? Yeah, so akhambanga kahle esikoleni. Then ngifocusa ku music.
What happened esikoleni kanti?
Angifuni ufunda. Yeah, I tried many times to go kuma college ngizama ukurewrite but ngiyayeka nje phakathi konyaka like nokuje ukuthi this time I'm doing it ne like akuvele kuzenzakalela ukuthi man ayi ngiyeke yabo. But even no mama uthi mntana miyekela shem. Yekela. Ngimoshela imali yekela. Yabo, yeah. So I don't know, maybe akumelanga ngiye or something cause even at high school benginokuthi ngingabi sharp vele skela. Yeah, thola ukuthi ngiyagula bo 3 months thola ukuthi ngirepeat grade futhi. Yeah.
Because why lento le like kuthi nje is it
I think ama ancestors vele cause ngake ngaguli ngento ezinjalo. Yeah.
Yini bekumele uyothwasa or noma
Yeah, ngaya vele but azangicede khona futhi.
Nakhona futhi azangucede.
Yeah. Azangicede. Not ukuthi azangicede. La bengikhona. They thought ukuthi they know. Into engasho ukuthi okay they know but they thought ukuthi I can say I'm the luckiest person cause I dreamed izinto abafuna ukunyenza zona lapha.
Okay.
Yes. So if it's time yokuthi vele kumele ngiye lapha. Bazongivusa ngilele. Ngiziyele. Otherwise yokuthi ngiye kumuntu just because of ngiyagula angisize and then abone lento enginayo kanti ufuna ukuyisebenzisa. I won't do that. Cause at that time I was desperate because bengigula, yabo. But right now even if kuthiwa ngiyabuyela kulesa sikolo lesiya ngcono bangeke ngife phansi bona bazongivusa ngithi yiba bayazi into abayenzayo. Yeah.
Bokula to what extent like what was going on?
Bengibona abantu bangaziboni like thola ukuthi ngiyakhameka ebusuku like ngilwa nomuntu mara bamboni.
Uyalwa like physically?
Yes.
Ulwa naye bathi bona bambona endlini.
Abamboni. Then to the point where like ngene esibhedlela ngiphuma. Thola ukuthi ngigula to the point where ngisho ukuthi maybe kusasa ngiyafa yabo, but ngiphinde ngivuke ngizibuza ukuthi hawu ngisaphila, like ngisaphila. I thought vele ngizofa yabo. Yeah, but nami nje angibelieve ukuthi ngila ngikhona today ngasho ukuthi imithandazo yami, because I used to pray a lot nangenhliziyo. Yeah.
Then yini le wayibona ababefuna ukwenza yona le yakwenza ukuthi uyeke?
Kahle they wanted to use i-gift yami. Kahle bengibona ngathi angithwasi laphayani. Bengibona ngathi bafuna ukusebenzisa idlozi lami ukungithebula. Yeah.
Like yini wayibona?
Engayibona I can't say much yes because okay, ngabona izinto abazenzayo bona in my dreams, which is one thing about my dreams, awaqamba amanga. Into abazenzayo ende noma mama waziphupha futhi ene mabeziphupha uthi mama la ukhona awukho right, uphupha into ekanje nakanje, ngiphupha into ekanje, ngamtshela ukuthi yazi lento uziphupha nami ngiyaziphupha yabo. Yeah, I mean like you won't understand man yabo, but mina I do understand ukuthi yini izinto ezinto bengizibona.
Yini kahle kahle boyibona?
Bengibona abantu bebathwasa lapha but imikhovu. Yeah,
like bayimkhovu kanjani, like bahamba
they're using them they're using them to for izinto zabo ezimele like they're using them for maybe abantu kumele bazi bazothwasa, or for abantu for inhlanhla zabo, because they had like nice house, nice cars. Yes, yeah.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa. And then yiphi le gift le owarealize ukuthi unayo wena?
Engarealize ukuthi nginayo. Yeah, I'm good at singing. Ingayiyo ngasho ukuthi i-gift ebanginike yona vele. Then to i-gift yama ancestors ne.
Yeah, ngibuza yona specifically kahle kahle.
To i-gift yama ancestors, i-gift abanginika yona ibiza ngomndawo, yabo.
Umndawo.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called umndawo. Yeah. So according to mina, I feel like akumelanga ngithwasiswe, but if vele kumele ngithwasiswe, ngizomphupha lo muntu emela ngithwasiswe, ngiye kuye, cause I don't think lo muntu kumele ayenze lento leyo kimi uzoyenza. Let's say I don't think ukuthi umuntu kumele ngithwasiswe angaphinda yenze lento abayenze kimi, yabo, because of it's a must for that person ukuthi angithwasiswe. So he can't be doing wrong things, because make ethwasisa mina kufana nokuthi inhlanhla yakhe like kubekiwe ukuthi angithwasise vele. So lo benguye bekangabekwanga, bengile kuye because of I was desperate and bengigula at that time. Yeah.
So wahila kanjani from that sickness, like you know why?
Bona ngifuna ukama manga shem bang abola bengikhona. I think bangilaphile, then they wanted to use me again. Yes.
Then they saw ukuthi no man, we can use hair for certain purposes now.
Yeah.
Different from lewe nabo so uyele lapha.
Yes. Yeah.
So it's true ukuthi kahle umuntu mele akuthwasise, mele umphuphe noma uvuke uyiyele kuyi.
I guess it's true. It's true, because angeke uzovuka emzini wabantu ungazi ukuthi ufike kanjani, naye akumangalele ukuthi and then ufike kanjani, futhi yena angeke akumangalele because he or she will dream you ukuthi uyeza, and at that day uzoba expectile ukuthi umuntu okanje uyeza, wena uwozozimangalela ukuthi ufike kanjani lapha ya. But if vele into ezoyenzeka ku akunakuthi angakulimaza or something, because na abakubo bazobe bamtshelile ukuthi lo muntu uma menza izinto so inhlanhla yakho kahle kahle uzikhulisa ngokubuwena cause amathwasa ayahluka ngithi namadlozi ayahluka. So each and every time mawuthwasisa fana ukuthi uyazikhulisa uyabakhulisa. Yeah, cause bahlukile abantu. Fana ukuthi mawufundisa intwaso is like isikolo.
Okay.
Ubona abantwana aba different eclassini, yabo. So uyazifundisa uzuthisha ukuthi lo kanje, lo kanje, lo kanje. Yeah.
Okay. And then umdawo le gift lotho nayo yini kahle kahle to umuntu onga-understand ukuthi what kind of a gift is that?
According to my knowledge, cause angeke ngithi ngiyazi kakhulu cause angiqedanga nami into zami. According to my knowledge, idlozi engase exidlozi lakini. Idlozi lasestradeni. Yeah.
Khona lento leyo ube nedlozi lasestradeni?
Yeah, ingenzeka it's like let's say umuntu akini wakudala. Wabulala umuntu kanti lo muntu nomndawo ne. Then that spirit izongena to a generation ezayo from ifamily yakho. Yabo. Or I don't know man, yeah. Idlozi elishone kabuhlungu umndawo. Idlozi engasela kini. Yeah, awumazi umuntu akhona just that unenhlanhla kakhulu ukuthi ube naye. Yabo cause li strong and li powerful. Once you do like umuntu kabi liyakwata. Yeah, umuntu onalo liyakwata. And idlozi elinenhlanhla. Yeah.
Ukhona umuntu efamilini kini mhlambe okwathwasa onamadlozi?
Abafuni bayabaleka umamama.
Mamakho?
Yeah. Umamama. Unawo yena amadlozi. So I think since angafuni into zakhe ziwele kimi. Yeah.
So what's the whole plan now in the family? Like are they still trying ukuthi bakutholele umuntu ozokusiza noma balinde nje ukuthi wena mhlawumbe uyivukele uye kuleyo muntu loyo uyosizakala if it happens?
Bona abalindanga ukuthi bona abangifuneli umuntu. They waiting for me ukuthi ngiziyele lapho. Ngenzeka mina ngizihambele ngizibuyele. Ngibaxoxela ukuthi kwenzeke so cause I don't know ngithi mele ngithose ngiyiphindlela. Yeah, but if kumele ngihambe ngiye kulo muntu loyo ngilele nakhona it's fine, but if kumele ngizilalele maybe for amalanga khona abantu like intwaso ziyahluka vele. Khona umuntu ovela lale for a week baje ukuthi ushonile kanti uyathwasa la khona then avuke after 6 days.
Hayibo.
Yeah, or umuntu ahambe vele aye phansi kwamanzi abuye sekabuya asho ukuthi hayi konje, or uthola ukuthi ahambe alele vele ebusuku. Obviously they're going to like ukusearch ngayo ukuthi hayibo umuntu kanje besilele naye akasekho. Stuff like that. Basho ukuthi hayi lo muntu la khona phansi kwamanzi right. Nina hambana endlini after amalanga kanje uzozibuyela. Yabo. Or mhlambe kenze ukuthi nihambe niyelwandle. Avela thathwe ngamanzi nitsho ukuthi hayi umuntu kanti bamthathile vele ebakubo. Then bahambe bayosearch more about it. Basho ukuthi hayi relaxana after 3 months uzobuya or after isikhathi esikanje uzobuya. Yeah, kuyahluka ukuthwasa.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. No ngiyakuzwa. And then awungitshele they say like people who are born with albinism, they are so special to an extent yokuthi we even have people abafuna like ukunisebenzisa for different purposes. Yini le kahle kahle a different kangaka ngani to an extent ukuthi kuze kufika to a point ukuthi umuntu abe like you know what bafuna unicabangela for their own purposes or their own agenda mhlawumbe ukuthi benze imali or whatsoever. I think you've heard ama syndicates njengalawo.
I don't know honestly, but mina into engakutshela yona akekho umuntu oyimedicine. Akekho umuntu oyimedicine like akekho. So but mina into engakutshela yona once you believe ukuthi into kanje imedicine or once you believe ukuthi into kanje yiyo izokusebenzela. Fana ukuthi if you believe like ama ghost exist. I need to believe in that izoyenzeka. Even if you pray right now you believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokuphendula uzokuphendula because you believe in it. Yeah, but mina I don't believe in that. To yonke lento abayishoyo ngathi it's evil.
It's evil, huh?
Yes. Moyo mubi. Yeah.
Okay.
But because they believe izobasebenzela. Yeah.
And as umuntu like onamadlozi, like what is the worst thing yakuthusa that you've seen? Like ube like, oh, I still can't move on from le nto leya engayibona ukuthi yeah.
Angeke ngikhona ukukutshela.
Serious?
Yes. Cause angikhona ukutshela umuntu, even my mom. But mina ngiyazi. Mara kunzima for mina ukuthi ngisho. Yabo. Cause sometimes nokungalala ebusuku ngicabange nje. Yeah, it's hard for Tina a lot cause unokuphelela ubuthongo phakathi kobusuku nje uvuke. Yeah, and ama symptoms walezi zinto lezo maningi, uba ne depression ungazi ukuthi buyapi, uyakhala uzazi ukhalelani, cabanga kakhulu, ngathi ungafa ungazi ufelani. Uzibuze na ukuthi awukati why ngikhala, why ngifuna ukufa. Yeah, zahluka nje. Yeah.
I know. Ngiyakuzwa. And what is the worst that you've went through kuzo zonke that you've experienced? The worst that you feel like, yo, this drained me to an extent yokuthi I even thought yo ngiyafa or sengifile.
Ila ma fights bengiba nawo vele. Cause ama fights wakhona ne according to the way when like umuntu ohleli. Cause mina ngibona ngathi ngilwa nomuntu. But according to the way when ubona ngakhona, ubona ngathi yime ngizihama cause yime ngizibambe izandla like ngiyazihama. But mabe ngisusa izandla like angifeel ngathi khona umuntu ongihamayo cause I was fighting nomuntu, yabo. And I thought that time ngiyafa vele cause the way bekangihama ngakhona, which is bona babone ngathi yime ngizikhama kakhulu. Yeah. Yabo. Which is and like umuntu akhona ukubonisa ukuthi bengasi yimpi yama ancestors wami nabo, bokuyimpi yomuntu bekafuna ukungithebula. Lento bengilwa naye beyifuna ukungikhama izothatha ilimi lami from inside. Yeah. So most of the time abantu abathebuliwe abana malimi. So I think vele I plan from that thing bekuthi vele bangithebule. Yeah.
Was it through the time usathwasa noma it happened before or after?
Before.
Okay.
Yeah, before cause and lezinto zingicale ngizobhala, that's why sometimes benginokuthi ngeke isikolo ngiphinda ama grade yabo. Cause into enzekile ne mangiyo check lapha ngiyo consult. Basho ukuthi wena bafuna ukukuthebula ne but amadlozi wakho bakushaya ngesichitho at the same time because of awubanaki, which is I was surprised ukuthi mina nginamadlozi, I don't know anything about that. Hayi ukuthi angibanaki, angazi ukuthi bakhona. Yabo. So but labo bantu labo cause mangifika lapha ngiyokonsata, they were like, when are you left with 2 hours to breathe? Like ningilethela isidumbu guys, nemuntu enimlethela isidumbu. Yabo. So bona bebathi ngine lucky because labantu abafuna ukungithebula they fighting bona ngokwabo. Bafuna like they fighting ukuthi hayi owami.
Bona bayalwa.
Yabo. Bona bayalwa. At that time balwa, let's save you. At the same time idlozi lamthini ngiyala ngawe mntanami. Angifuni ngeba yenze lento leyo. Yabo. Yeah. Ngikula into enza for 6 months.
6 months.
Like nasekhaya baze bajayela ukuthi isukile fight yakhe nemuntu esingamazi.
Yo.
I thought ngeke ngibe sharp cause ngithatha isikhathi ukhila. Okay, ngithatha isikhathi ukhila kulento bengibhekane nayo but mentally cause bengihlezi ngithukile. Yabo. Yeah. Bengihlezi ngithuke mangizwe sound like ngiyajumpa. Yabo cause bengingesekho right. But I never thought ukuthi ngizoba right. because of ngisho up today, because of I used to pray a lot. Yo kakhulu. Yeah.
Are you a church goer?
Angeke ngicamamanga shim.
You've never went to church, or you did church and then was stopped?
I did church ngastopa, but I'm a prayer. A lot. Angifuni ngiqamamanga. Sometimes I believe ukuthandaza more than amadlozi. Yeah, I'm a prayer. Ngasho ukuthi nasekhaya basavwa yimi the way ngiprayer ngakhona.
Usho nje?
I'm a prayer.
Isikhona izinto okwazibona or feel like ngathi bafuna uku-attack ikhaya lakini manje because of they failed to take you.
Yeah, ngasho. But mina right now, anything spiritual, angisayisabi. Because ecaleni ngasho ukuthi bengisaba because I didn't know anything, yabo. But manje, I'm not scared of anything spiritual. Yabo. I'm a prayer. Nginokuthi ngihambe mhlambe estradini. Thola ukuthi umuntu omdala ngiyambulisa ngithawe. Sawubona. Angikwatele ngingazi ukuthi ngikwatele akwateleni because angazi ngalwa naye. But once I dream ngisho awuyaganga lo, that's why angangifuni. Yeah. Serious. Baningi futhi abafuna ukungibheka, abafuna ukukhuluma nami. Abanye babo bayeza nasemaphupheni wabo. Yabo, bayeza. Bangitshela ukuthi dewe ngisisenga khona usile wena, usile ngisibuza ngisengani? Ngikwenzeni? Angikaze ngakhuluma nawe. Kusasa khona ngikubone ngikubulisa ngitshe ukuthi hayi iphupho nje yabo. Sasa khona ngibulisa ungangiphenduli ukwade. Hawu. Nxa wena uyaganga wena uhlula into zakho. Serasi. Bayaganga abanye. Omunye wake wangibizela amaphoyisa like ngilele ekseni. Wangibizela amaphoyisa. Athi mina ngithe uyaganga. Yebo.
Yeah.
Bafika amaphoyisa ngithi yazi lo mama yabo njengoba niza naye so ngiyacala ukumbona. Ngiyambuza ngithe uyaganga kuphi? Athi hayi wena angifuni baba phoyisa ambone ukuthi maybe gogo maybe une-address zakhe yabo. Ngathi hayi lona like obvious ngiyafika Western area ne. And bayabona ukuthi lo mntana uhlukile. And which is nabo ngisho ukuthi banalento ukuthi mawi albino singakhona ukusebenzisa into nezo, but mina since ngiprayer so abakhona ukungithola. Yeah, abakhona ukungithola. Abangifuni abaningi. Abangifuni and they know why bangangifuni. Yeah.
Have you ever felt like your life is in danger? Like, do you feel like everywhere you go, like your life is in danger because of now you've got these stereotypes ukuthi they use albinism and stuff?
Yeah, sometimes yes analeyo nto leyo ukuthi konje mele ngisabi kendaweni esona mangithola amagigi yabo. But as I said, I'm a prayer. I believe ukuthi wherever I go yikho into ezoyenzeka. Noma let's say ngegigi nenkulu ke manje. Naba baba maybe angibazi phela. Omunye mhlawumbe umela, omunye mhlawumbe umele. But I believe ukuthi I will escape in that thing. Noma kuthiwa ama-Nigeria agcwele kangakanani. But I'm a prayer a lot. Ngokuthandaza ngize ngizibone nami ukuthi ngithandaza isidina manje. The way ngipray ngakhona, before I eat, I pray. Before I bath, I pray. Before I sleep, I pray. I pray mangivuka. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ngivukile. Ngiyabonga ukuthi I'm able to ukuthi ngene ku bathroom ngigeze. Khona abantu bangakhona ukungena. Khona abantu mele basize ukungena ku bathroom. So I'm thankful for everything enginayo. Ngisho ukuthi leya sickness yiyo ngenza ukuthi ngibe pray. Yeah.
Do you feel like you're going to be stronger ever than before?
Yeah. Stronger a lot. Stronger to the point where noma ungaza nesangoma elikhulu manje olithembile. I'm a prayer. If into embi mele yenzeke kimi, intando kaNkulunkulu yide weyafuna ngakhona. Okusala uyayazi into ayenzayo ngithi. Yeah. Uyayazi into ayenzayo. So let's say manje ngiyaphuma ngishayisa imoto angeke ngithi intando kaNkulunkulu uyayazi into ayenzayo bengeke avume ngami if vele but for the fact ukuthi ngishayisile wavuma uyayazi into ayenzayo what if uzonginika imali zamarafu indlela yami ukuphumelela serious what if indlela yami ukuphumelela mina ngiyakhala
ngizobhizi uyakhala ngapha
hawo kanti ngiyangiphumelelisa hayi yeah Yeah.
okay no ngikuzwa kahle so now so in that very same place where you are at now are you still like seeing things like ukuthi oh nangu nalo uyaganga nalo like do you still
inkinga mina vele one thing about mina angibi interested kubantu abagangayo if ngiyakubona uyaganga like angikunaki kakhulu futhi once uba umuntu engikubona ukuthi wena uninto zakho like angisunga umuntu oyilandelelayo lento le but don't try me yeah don't try me once you try me we will fight one thing about me it's hard for me to fight ngemithi because I don't know more about imithi yeah but don't try me because uzozana into zakho and mina ngizoza nama angel noNkulunkulu wami yeah and uzothi ngiyaloya because baningi vele basebathe lo mntana uyaloya kuphi lo mntana uyaloya ngiyaloya vele ngemithandazo yami yeah yeah
I know ngiyakuzwa you said uke wazama ukuyofunda college and there was a story that I heard ukuthi you were once kidnapped. Did it happen the college that thing where did it happen and how did it happen?
Bengibuye esikolweni and which is a college vele khona la eWestern area so into enzeka ukuthi mina mama mbekahleza nginomntana ne so mama mbekahleza complain ukuthi wena man awubuyi ngesikhathi esikolweni which is vele sometimes besinokuthi icollege yethu seduze kwetown yabo sidlule town cala sithenga ama ice cream nani amanathi wena uyakhohlwa ukuthi nomntana la mele ubuye ngesikhathi nami nginento zami so mina that day I was like I guys ngeke every day nibuyisa late mama uya complain ngabashiyele move so indlela yinde sihamba ngenyawo from endlini indlela yinde nokudlula imoto kakhulu so that's when into kidnapping yenzeka shuthi bangibamba from there cause babona ukuthi abangani like I think labantu bebangibheka ukuthi okay ufunde endaweni so uyenza so na so hamba nabantu abaso so that day abangani bami ngabashiyele move then ngihambela phambili then ngathathwa imoto iGolf ke
like bafika bakuthatha kanjani
bangiqubulile sorry bangiqubulile cause kumuntu ovula umnyango umuntu ohlele emuva yeah uvula umnyango wangidonsa enebongene imoto eziningi vele abantu ngami ngibashipha emuva
then bakufaka uGolf
sahamba
azange babone
angimbonile lo bekasemuva then lo beka driver uyibe ngambonanga
then mase bakuthathile like abazange bakuvale like kwenzakaleni
azange bangivale ngathola amanye amantombazana phakathi kwalo Golf vele ayi2
nawo ama-albino okay
yeah ngathola wona into enzekile ukuthi sisevwe ukuthi indlela benama traffic cop yeah
so nambe from lapho beba driver to where you didn't know ukuthi beba driver to where ama traffic cop futhi anivimbe kuphi
N12
ku N12
yeah
bekunama traffic cop that day
yeah
and then what happened
kwenze ukuthi babone man ukuthi asikho sharp emotweni basibuza ukuthi si right and babastrictnish ukuthi hey now ama traffic cop nina hlalani kahle in basivezela ibham I think into esavile ukuthi basechile lapha ya babathola nebham yeah then we went back home
yo that's how you got saved
I'm a prayer I've been saying I'm a prayer at that moment I was praying at least you were yes
So if it wasn't for those traffic cops, do you think something would have happened that day, Annie? If it wasn't for that traffic cops. They're saying there were no traffic cops that day.
Mina I knew from first time ukuthi labantu lento bayenza ayikho. Bengizose even if vele ama traffic cop bangeke, but la besiyakhona bengizoba nendlela yokuphuma. Yeah. But I believe in God ngenhliziyo yami yonke. I believe ukuthi anything happens la. Okay, yenzeka kubhlungu for this moment, but you strong uzoba ne-idea engqondweni ukuthi kumele ngidlule kanjani. Yeah. Sometimes you don't have to ungabi lula like sometimes like kumele ube nendlela yoku-escape like kuzinto obhekane nazo. Kube sometimes khala it's a good thing to cry. Khala usule inyembezi sukume ubone wenzani. Yeah. So that's why wathi uNkulunkulu unceda abazinceda. Mohlala sokhala uzoyenza njani? Like uzokhala and then what if uNkulunkulu ume lapha yaka khona ungene? Sukume lapho uzokusiza. Yeah.
Then mawufika endlini, did you explain ukuthi what happened?
I did, and ngilethwe ngamaphoyisa vele, which is vele ngathi vele abantu kune community group lapha ya. Kunabantu bebasho ukuthi abantwana balahlekile nani mama mvela abona ukuthi yo sekushaya no9 ebusuku angabuyi into ezinjalo.
Kahle kanti banithathe naye kuphi? And bakuthathe ngobani isikhathi?
Mina attenda ngo2 ngiphuma ngo5.
Okay.
So I think bangithathe ngaboma 5:30 to 6 lapho. So masiqhubeka ngendlela ovesa ama traffic cop asisithathile sise police station by 9:00 bekhana basambisa. Yeah.
Okay. Yabo usachaza indaba ukuthi how did you explain to your mom ukuthi what happened and stuff?
Yeah, bam explainelile. And then naye vele nami ngam explainela futhi mabaqeda ukuhamba beka believe yazi. Like beka shocked, like beka ngicabanga ukuthi into engayenzeka. But beka umuntu okuthini ungasayi lapho. Like azangisaye yavele college. Yabo izinto ezingistopha ecollege zincane. Yeah, azangisabuyele college le.
Since that day.
Zincane izinto ezingistophayo because ngiyeka after isikhathi. And then ngafuna ngecollege yaseLens ukuthi lapho ke bengihamba beka ngihambisa. Yeah, sometimes ngibuye nge-taxi. Then lapho ngayikiswa yini vele. Sorry, I think angisakhumbuli, but ngavele ngayeka nje. Yeah.
Okay, then umntwana umtholona ngakhe?
Bengina 17.
Oh, you were still in school, ne?
Yeah, bengina 17.
Okay. Umfana intombazana?
She's a girl.
She's a girl. And how old is she?
Uzoyenza 3 next month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ano ngiyakuzwa. Then what trenda ke sis? What trenda? Yazi video yakho ngayibona nami.
I know.
Yeah, a lot of people saw that video. Ngayibona, even our co-host of the show Sihle na wayibona. You see. Yeah. What happened there kahle? Cause abantu, I think there was a misconception there kahle. Abantu bayi receive ngendlela wena ongayicabanga ukuthi bazo receive ngayo. Kahle, what was your whole idea? Kahle.
Yazi mina ne? Hi man, I never thought ukuthi le video so trenda so like bengiyenza njengamanye ama video because I was bored. Yabo? I was bored langa la khona bengivakashe kabo out yam.
Okay.
So mangivakashe lapho I took my phone because I used to use iPhone really. Le iPhone 12. So I took that phone. I was like, phone maybe any apple la. Bengizisholo mina guys, yabo. And like I thought maybe they will use a sound for an iPhone user. Yeah. I kwaza ma negative comment. Yay, intambo ugesi silingi indlebe. Yay. Kuningi nje. And they're like after lapho futhi like everyone thought maybe uzukhala or something. Yabo? After lapho since vele bengivakashela umjita vele uyafunda ne. Meke buya esikoleni. Cause like ngisho naye bebambuza izinto ngami ngisikole. Baba ubonile. Yabo? So mina ngizithulele angifuni ukutshela umuntu ukuthi ngiyatrenda vele ngibonile. Ngizithulele hayi kanti nabo babonile yabo athi umjida alright ngithi ya azithulela uyasaba ukungibuza athi usho alright ngithi ya I am after ngibona uyangibheka man uyathula uyangibheka ngithi wa man ungibheka athi hayi next after bomiskada alright ngithi ya right ngiyambona akasakhona ukuzibamba bathini ku TikTok ngithi hayi athi marakile yini ngawe yini like uyazifuna inkulumo delete le video thema ngibheka 2.1 million viewers ngathi uyahlanya ngidelete le video uyahlanya boy ngiyaphina angidelete umama mangifonela why wenza so akhala nokhala ngithi nikhalela yini le khalisayo ngoba mina ngi-right wani khala mamncane wami ke ufuna ukungifunela ama counseling ngathi yo uzobuza umoshela imali yakho mina ngi-right mina ngi-right kabi yeah ne sharp
wayenza enye video ka after lapho so uxolisa kuMamdoli about iroof
mina vele intenze ukuthi ngixolisa kuMamdoli ne Mamdoli ila umjida wamarente khona so bengihleli inside endlini yakhe so uMamdoli yena he took it bad like bekangasangikhulumisi into ezinjalo kumuntu ongenzela ama scam yabo so ngaxolisa from there ukuthi yazini like I'm sorry like bayithukile indlu and stuff and like I couldn't delete the video bekazongixolela nayo uMamdoli shem i-video ehambe kangaka bengengikhona abamazi musi abamazi bonke labantu abakhulumayo abamazi bekuzonderstand if bebambonile bakudle yena babona ukuthi naye ukanje nendlu yakhe kanje otherwise abamazi but yeah ngisaxolisa na today feed cela ukuba neindlondlo zeimali ngihambe ngiyofaka amasilingi kule yandlu guys yo and I will do that I will shame because of by delelile because of me but for the fact that I won't delete the video I won't unless I do another video ngithi sengifaka isilingi ngithi yeah
so that was your first time trending kahle to that extent like ukuthi uthole 1 million viewers or I've been
trending but not the way yabo I've been trending ngezinto eziningi but not the way cause le video yengasho ukuthi mangafika emntini ongangazi ngithi phone maybe neapula ngangirecognize yeah otherwise mina like ngumuntu vele beka trenda dala ngikhothane ngepregnancy ke ngoba mina shem the way ngine drama ngakhona bengishoota ngimane ngipregnant and bengipost ba share isithombe wrong trend picture yakhona then trending ne boyfriend yami basho ukuthi yo mfethu ujola kanjani nemali into ezinjalo nje yabo
batshela umjida lento le
yeah bambuza ujola kanjani nemali yo mina ngulo mjida ngasika indlebe ngihambe ngiyoyithengisa into enjalo yabo yeah but yo lo mjida uphethe imali engaka yabo into ezinjalo nje I've been trending but otherwise ke yeah le video yiyo
do you feel like where you go people see ATM nje baba like hey na imali
I don't know but as I said I don't care ngezinto ezinjalo yeah
okay and then what happened because you even changed your account and moved to another account abantu bamangela ukuthi how le account lesiyazi vele o trenda kuyo now supposed kuyo so posta kwenye account yabona now so promoting your account what was going on because abanye bazoyitshela ukuthi mhlambe your account has been taken away or back reportela ukuthi your account maybe it's been taken down because TikTok does that you see
inkinga bengalahlekelwa iphone then bengafaka email kule account so into enzekile ukuthi isim card sakhona nenumber yakhona ngikhumbula ipassword kuningi nje yabo yeah that's why so ngacreate enye account but now iyapusha vele iyapusha inama viewers cause it's 52 50.2k followers now. And akusikudala ngicreateile. Yeah.
Okay, so you are done trying to retrieve that account.
Yeah, ngisharp ngayo ayisekho vele.
But it's still there, Mos. It still does exist. It's just
Yeah,
that it's
exista yona, but angazi ngizoqala lapho kuyi deactivator nami, yabo? Yeah.
Okay, I know. Ngiyakuzwa. And then you've been like, is it something that you thought was over a content creator? Because now you're also like a content creator now. Is it something that you thought would happen like in your life?
Yeah, I thought maybe if ngiyaqhubeka ngokwenza content, I'll end up maybe ngenzi acting. Yabo?
Okay.
But now ngiyabona into ezeqala music, cause now kusasa siyadropa yimi no Chimashiho no DJ Kari no Gizo.
Okay.
Nomunye umjita ngimkhohliwa skisi bari bana ngikhohliwe, but yeah. Dropa ingoma inormal. Ifone maybe ni apula ni normal. Yeah. Dropa kusasa vele ngizosend link.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, unthola kanjani uTebogo Chimashiho?
Oh, uji umngane producer yami uGizo.
Okay.
Cause bebake bakhipha ingoma igita nokar. Awukete macala awukete. Yeah, that song producer uKari no Gizo. So uGizo uji ngimthole ngenxa kaGizo. Yeah.
Okay. And I think there's somebody that you wanted to address. What happened? Was there beef between wena? No, who's that guy?
Utsike Munati.
Is it that guy from
Relax
Films?
Yeah. No, I go to Bogune beef. If he's still beefing, then tell Spice bafu uli. But minang beef. Ang beef yabo.
Yeah.
Ang beef intenzakile ukuthi like umjita. Like nama ngazi bengicabangeni ngifuna ukumanage uyi. Because being under management yakhe, yabo. But then uNtswempa donana la uNtswempa uTK ne angifuna ukumkhuluma kabi, but into enzekile ukuthi since bekangimanage ama payment bewatholakala kuye. Bawafaka kuye ndeni nanginiki because sivumelane nge 30%. Let's say they pay me 1,000, uthatha 300 ngithatha 700. But that day he took more imali eningi idlule yami. So into yenzakalile leyo. Yeah.
Did mom confront her?
He was like uyahlanya wena ngiyagibelisa waka in yabo. Yeah, but otherwise he passed. Yeah, cause into ngayisho ene beka manager umunye umjita bathi uMakandoi.
Okay.
Nyamazi uMakandoi? Lo mfana omncane ukhuluma kakhulu.
Mhlambe
yeah.
So on socials.
Into yenzakalile ukuthi babuza ukuthi how come. Oh, kwaba nama question ukuthi ngambuza mina ukuthi wangasa manage uMakandoi. Bathi kuka boMakandoi badla imali kaMakandoi. Yabo. So I was like, why basho so ka uMakandoi? And mina I had trust ku TK yabo. So I now realized that's why Makandoi agiyekile. Yabo. Yeah, but otherwise he passed because into yenzakalile vele ukuthi I went to podcast ngcoke iskipa sakhe se relax and wanginika sona. He was like abantu bahamba kuma podcast bakhuluma ngathi bagcoke I relax. And mina ngamphendula iskipa sakho nginike sona ngothando ngizosicoka lewe ngifuna ngakhona ukuthi ngiyokhuluma ini ngawe. Ngikhuluma iqiniso la kudliwa nembezo ukuthi ngikhuluma iqiniso yabo because benye ku podcast ka Richie P. Yamazo Richie P.
Yeah, I know Richie P.
Benye ku podcast ka Richie P then ngakhuluma which is nami azangifaki igama le manager ngazikhulumela ukuthi umuntu okanje nakanje wake ngitry ngento ekanje yena wasiveza ke. Yabo kulo podcast angisho ukuthi TK wenze so na so ngithebe kunomuntu okanje nakanje azange mention igama. So yena ke wasiveza abona ukuthi usivezile. Yabo. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then music uqale nini, like like into bokade like unothando for music or into it develop along the way, what happened?
From ngikhula vele bengumuntu othanda music. Yeah, and then ngasho ukuthi from last year mas drop ingoma noGizo Amalanga. Then that's when ngithi umusic wami uqala ukukhula kancane lapho. Otherwise mina vele bengumuntu othanda ukucula, but I was like confused ukuthi ngizocala ngiyorecorda kuphi kubani, cause bengaka record before. Yeah. But mina shem bekumuntu nje oziculelayo nje yabo, cause ngikhule vele ngihamba ama-rehearsal la bengikhulela khona eSlovo, bekune community hall. So bekumuntu ukuthi ngiyorehearsa, mina ngizithandela i-art vele yabo. Ngiyorehearsa mhlawumbe sirehearsa i-acting, sirehearsa i-music. Yeah.
Imaphi ama-artists that you grow up listening to?
uZahara.
Okay. The
Ubani?
late Zahara.
Yeah, ubani lo futhi ngimthanda kakhulu, uye ngasho ukuthi ngikhule ngaye how come ngizomkhohlwa? No, uBrenda.
Okay.
uBrenda Fassie, yeah. Yeah. Cause benginothi ngimangibheka iTV ngime so ngimbheke ngijeme ngimbheke ngithi yo lo sisi. Yeah. Uyu umuntu engasho ukuthi ngikhule ngimlalela. Yeah.
And then there was another scandal that was circulating. Clear event libobizwe kuyo. I think bekhona no Uzuma umsholozi onamakhanda amaningi. Shout out
uZuma
to
got
Uzuma.
paid they. Got paid cause mina umuntu ongiblake ngalo event uThepho.
Okay.
uThepho Shepa kamnandi.
Okay.
Yambolo weAlbina naye umjida. Ngiblake ngayo, then sa communicate nomuntu beka hosta le event. And mina ngibhayize ngokuposta before ngithola ipayment. I've been waiting for my payment the whole week, and into bengithola ama blue tick nama grey tick, which is umuntu khona ngimbona ukuthi online. So ngabona ukuthi next
Ubani
time
beka-critic?
the owner of the event.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So ngabona ukuthi next time I take ama deposit before I post. Yeah.
So you didn't go to that event?
I didn't go to that event. I can't be going there because ngiyele mahala, let's say ngiyaya and then still mangifika phambili I don't get my payment. Yabo. So azange ngiye vele. Yeah.
Yo. So yake yenzeka kuwe lento lena besides that scandal, like has it ever happened before ukuthi bangakubhadali ku event?
No.
That was the
Bekala.
only time.
Yeah, bekala. Otherwise wonke ama event mina bayangibhadala kahle.
And then abosmayili bona babuza kanjani, because you've been ku Smash or Pass.
Yeah.
Ngibonile recently bowushuthe nabo, who's this, sabo Fafastra wearing was amadala, like you know those people, because I think bakusekele one all those people, you see.
Uvusi ngimaze qala kubo wonke umuntu. Uvusi ngimaze 2019 or 20. Mangiqala ukuhlangana noVusi I was a fan kaVusi. But now we friends. Ngihlangane naye 2019 bekasebenza eLina Italian, which is la kuthengisa khona impahla zekhothan. Yeah, then saqala ukuba abangani from there. And then Smiley ngimazi ngoWatermelon. Watermelon ngimazi ngebaby mama kaFafastra. Cause there was this day ngivakashe eshop yabo yokuqala, cause ama shop ayi2 mina bengivakashe shopping yaseThembisa. Then sashutha ithombe noNeli, then mashutha kanti uWatermelon uyathanda ukuthi sibe ngabangani, which is nami ngiyathanda ukuthi ngibe umngani naye. Then I was like, yo, give it like ama number wakhe, nika ama number, and then sibe ngamangani. Then we started there to be friends sonke. Yeah. Then ufezela no Fafastra ngibaze kudala. Yeah. Ngibaze kudala vele 2020 I think 2020 yeah. No.
Boys Kotane before?
Yeah.
Like, bogqoka impahla zesikhothane, bothenga, yini influence to be isikhothane?
Okay, after death ka Lady Scottish,
Okay.
which is Boguntandogazi. Yeah, I started ukuba interested because I felt like I can replace her. Which is I did, because everyone like began bizanga Scottish. Yeah.
Why like bofuna ukum replace?
Ngasho ukuthi like began deserve ukushona mncane. So they have to be another Lady Scottish. Yeah.
Would you say now like you are proudly Scotsman even now?
No.
What happened? What changed?
Yo angazi kuvele kwazenzakala. Ngiright ngibrand ambassador yamadzala. Yeah, otherwise man ayo. Man ngeke ngibe isikhothana umntana mayenzeni yena. Hayi.
Angeke.
Umntana phela like lento ebukhothani like iseyifuna abantwana man. Unless ngasho ukuthi ngithanda impahla. We just love ukugcoka. Otherwise ubukhothani it's for abantwana. Yeah. Cause nabo bovusi I don't think they call themselves ikhothani. I'm sure they call themselves boma abantu aba in love ngempahla. Yeah. Cause ikhothani I believe ukuthi ikhothani ezahlukhona ikhothani ezidomo ezithanda ukuthelana ngezinto ziyadisana, but otherwise abovusi they are mature. They love clothes, business, and bazipushela music. Yeah. Bazipushela music.
Okay. I know. Ngikuzwa kahle. Before nje sesiyivala, is there anything you'd like to ask Zamalapa from your side?
No, bengibhizi kakhulu. So yeah, sibonge ukuthi uze usihloniphe nje uvele. Siyabonga.
Yeah, okay.
And then before nje siyivala, when did you become a brand ambassador yozamadala? What happened?
I just got a call from ibaby mama kaFafastra uNeli. Which is yena akafuni ukwaziwa, hey, akafuni, yeah. And which is a good thing. I just got a call and then wangibiza wathi ucela sizoyenza photo shoot. Yozamadala. Then I came vele cause yeah, impintshi zami. Sashuta vele and then wasibiza. I think na last week bengile khona ngiyothatha impahla 2-piece. Sashuta again. Yeah. Yeah, ngasho ukuthi angifuni ukuba ngasho ukuthi ngagcoka amanye ama brand mara this one is the one. Yeah. And ngine believe ukuthi izogcina iba big njengama DMD kanje ama Rosemode. I got a belief of that.
Uqeda kusho ukuthi which is a good thing ukuthi nila kafuna kwaziwa. Like is there a bad side you would say about fame or ukuba into media space?
Yeah, cause like abanye abantu abafani nami mawuthola negative comment like uzocabanga ukuzibulala or uzubhlungu yabo. So abanye abantu bangayithatha ngokuthi why bangenza so in yabo. And which is angeke mina like angeke umjita benefame na ugelo benefame yabo. Cause money ithuni nefame we nithuni ngama brand like noma ungangishiya ngikuncenge kuba ngathi like hayi hamba ungicama ukuthi njenje ngawe and like ngiyaziwa vele nami yabo. But as long but kuyahluka cause nangu Pretty Palisa no Petro they know both but they bayazi ukuthi ba controla kanjani bona relationship yabo yabo. Yeah, but into engayisho the main point ukuthi ifame man ish ibhlungu sometimes. Yeah.
It can benefit you ngenye indlela also.
Yeah.
It can also damage you.
Yes.
Yeah, they say it can build and break you at the same time.
Yeah, cause nokuthi ngihlangane nabantu sometimes ungahlangani nama fan but ngihlangane nabantu abangaziyo but izitha. hayi wena uyasijwayela wena wathi sibe nama-iPhone into ezinjalo yabo kanti akusamafeni izitha just that izitha ezingaziyo yeah
so i-social media created like izitha now ongazazi sometimes ane
yakucreatela izinto nje izitha ongazazi because uzibuza ukuthi hayibo lo muntu lo wazokhomenta so into so ungazelaphi the way uthola ukuthi umuntu acommented ngathi uyakwazi yabo angakwazi akhuluma nje just because of abone wenza into so yeah
okay and then sisivala nje what would you say like to people as much as you've said ukuthi lento ukuthi ba believe ukuthi abantu abane albinism like mayimali and stuff and etc all these evil things what would you say like to them by encourage nokuveza a different perspective ukuthi it's not a right thing like lento abayicabanga you see what would you say to them today like mhlambe because ikhona ezomthola out there mhlawumbe uzochange mindset yakhe the way acabanga ngakhona or influence even your influence today inga influence a lot of people out there abazoshintsha ingqondo zabo ngendlela abacabanga ngakhona.
I would say like stop being dumb. Yeke ukuba dumb because whatever you do uzicreatela izinto ezimbi and uzobhekana kanjani namasinzi wakho mawufika like in heaven yabo cause I mean like let's say right now when you believe ukuthi abantu bane albinism medicine let's say uthola umntana one albinism what will you say your daughter or your son is a medicine yabo so mina most of the time mangenza into ngicabanga nokuthi mayingafika kimi izoba njani yabo yeah ungacabangi like ngobudomo yeah yekela ukuzenzela amabhadi yeah ayikho yonke lento leyo khona umuntu ongaba umuthi like khona umuntu ongaba umuthi wena according to you ucabanga khona
it
can't be
that's evilness
yeah naseBhayibhelini ayikho lento leyo
there's nothing like that
yeah but so thini as I said if you believe it will work for you but if you don't believe yeah but still even if you can believe in it uyashona uzobhekana kanjani nezinto eziso yabo.
Do you think there's a place after life? Do you think like there's heaven and stuff and etc with your belief and knowledge?
With my belief I think so.
Why do you say that?
Because of Jesus because mina mfethu ezingisho ukuthi I'm a prayer ne I believe ukuthi kunempilo futhi ngaphandle I mean man where do we go mara where do we go vele after death?
That's what I'm trying to ask. You said how
mara mina I don't know
after life. So maybe I thought you had a little bit of knowledge that you can say, you see, or educate us today about such things. You see, I wouldn't know, Nami.
But if there was no, if begungana impilo after life, mhlawumbe kube nama sisters awekho. Because abantu abaphilayo but asibaboni. Yeah. Ngasho kanjalo.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And mhlambe i-message ongayishiya nje ku-youth na people out there abaphushayo abazamayo yabo because abanye usazama na today ukuposta trend ku social media but uyahluleka.
Mina would say keep on pushing, keep on trying, ungagive up and ungazinyathi. Untswempu, sintswempu like ngendlela ehlukile. Yabo. Yeah, untswempu, don't doubt yourself. Yeah, keep on trying, push mfethu until ufike lapho. Yeah.
Okay, with that being said, I think we are wrapping it up now. Or you've got something to say before we end the show?
Ifone mabe ni apule mufa. Okusalayo. The rest ama calculate okwatayo sokazoba sharp. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, can you share your social handles on the camera? Which you've got the new TikTok account. I think you should also share such handles so they can go and follow you.
Okay. Ku Facebook it's Real Snow White. Ku TikTok Snow White 6575, the new account. Then go Instagram. Relebohile 5110.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I know. I hope you guys did enjoy the interview. With that being said, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
We are out.
Tango.
Signing out.